In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the KeepFilters function in DAX. I'm going to start off with, my focus is the orders table in the Northwind dataset. So I'm going to add the shipping country or ship country, and that'll be part of my table. So you have your ship country as your rows. And then I'm going to dump in the order count measure that I created in a previous video, which is right here. I'll click on the visual, add the order count, turn this back to a table. And I'm going to use the keep filters function to just show specific order counts for Germany and let's say France. France is somewhere in here. Right here, France. So it'll be a separate column just showing Germany's count and then France's count. I'm going to create my measure. I'm going to call this order count of Germany and France. Calculate. Just do a count of the order ID from the orders table. And then I'm going to say keep filters. And so you want to, the filter you want to keep is ship country. This has to be an expression. So it'll be ship country in Germany and France. I'm going to close that out and enter. And then I'm going to add that new measure that we just created. And there you have just the count for Germany and the count for France.